Hello everyone, my name is Lotfi, and today we are going to learn about how scientists make observations and form and test hypotheses. And these are the main subjects for this video. And so we are going to learn about making observations, form a hypothesis, and the testing of the hypotheses. Okay, at first let's learn a little about the meanings of some essential words. Okay, so let's go. At first, what does science even mean? Okay, so science is a way of knowing or an approach to understanding the natural world. Okay, and so science actually developed out of our curiosity, first about ourselves, like for example, how do we see with our eyes. After that, it was because of our curiosity of other life forms, like other animals, like how do some birds fly, or how do chameleons change color, and after that we it was our curiosity about planets and sorry plants, and in the end the universe. Okay, our curiosity of the universe. And the word science is derived from a Latin verb meaning to know, and striving or trying to understand seems to be one of our most basic urges or needs. Okay, the next word that we must know the definition is inquiry. Okay, inquiry is at the heart of science, and it means to search for information and explanations of natural phenomena. And have in mind that there is no formula for successful scientific inquiry, no single scientific method that researchers must rigidly follow. Okay? Okay. As in all quests, science includes elements of challenge, adventure, and luck, along with careful planning, reasoning, and creativity, and passion. Okay, and persistence to overcome setbacks. Such diverse elements of inquiry make science far less structured than most people realize, and it is possible to highlight certain characteristics that help to distinguish science from other ways of describing and explaining nature. Scientists use a process of inquiry that includes making observations, forming logical, testable explanations or hypotheses, okay, and testing them. These processes are necessarily repetitive. Like when testing hypotheses, more observations may inspire revision, okay, of the original hypothesis or formation of a new one, okay, thus leading to further testing. Okay, and so in this way scientists circle closer and closer to their best estimation of the laws governing nature. Okay, so that was all for this video. And if you like this video, please like and share, and until next time, happy learnings to you all.